Now mark the position of the button. I'm using this wax pencil. With any sharp object or with an awl, do a hole and slightly widen the hole. Through this hole, insert the rivet, that is back part of the button. So I've inserted the rivet. Now take the button. Now I'm showing without the dies just to show you what happens when you install without the dies. Now place it face down and insert the rivet in the hole here. Take a rubber or a plastic mallet, because if you hit it with the iron mallet, this can damage. Hit it twice or thrice hard. Now if you see here, this part has damaged, and also I'm not sure if it's visible, this part has come out a little. So in comparison, if you see this is flat, this is bulging. So this is what happens when you don't use a die. So when this bulging happens, the design or the text on the button will get damaged or distorted. So let's see how to install this with the dies. Now how these dies help is, they have grooves which is the same size as the button. This is 20 size button, so it sits perfectly here. And for a 17 size button, you would need to turn the die and place it on the other side. And for a donut button, the rivet has to be placed in this groove. I'll show you how it works. So first we'll try this. I'll place the button. So on the garment, wherever you want to install the buttons, mark and do a small hole. And from the wrong side, insert the rivet. Now this groove in the die protects this surface of the button. Now place the rivet in the button. Now use this tool. If you see here, again there is a groove here which protects the surface of the rivet, as this sits nicely in this groove. Now place this on the rivet. Hold this straight and firm, and then hit with a plastic or a rubber mallet. You can hit it hard because now the button and the rivet are protected and it won't be damaged. Now if you see, this surface is not damaged. Now let's see how to install the donut button. Do a hole from the wrong side, insert the rivet. Now place this rivet in this groove. Now take the donut button, keep this part in this way, and now we'll be inserting this part inside here. And when we hit here, what it does is it will flatten the rivet and both gets fixed. And slowly hit. Now if you see, this is securely installed. So now I'll be installing the buttons on this. Button hole is already done, and accordingly have done the markings on the wrong side. Thanks for watching this class. See you soon in the next class. Until then, happy sewing.